external hard drive, dump everything into there, and then start fresh on your computer with the storage.
So which one? What, $16.99? This, right?
So that's why I like for the AutoCAD, I like the quad core better. I think it's a faster machine to be able to handle that type of capacity on those programs.
I think I'm just gonna go with the Air for now because as far as I know, we have like certain lab schedule to work on with the school computers. So I don't think I'll
Okay. All right. So if you're looking at a MacBook Air, then you might want to look at the storage. This one's 128, and then this one is 256. But if you're just looking at the base model, then it'd be $1449 the discount, 20% off the Apple Care, and a free pair of headphones.
Yeah, so I think we'll just get that basic for now.
Would you like me to send it here now?
Yeah, please. So that's for this discount?
No, that's just regular pricing. Would you like gold, silver, or space gray?
should I get the space?
And then for the headphones, we have gray, matte black, shadow gray, white, desert, sand, red.
You need a backup? External hard drive? Plug it into your...
Actually, so this deal today. When is the deal going to end?
We don't know. Pretty soon.
Yeah. When did it start?
A couple weeks ago.
Okay, so we're just at the right time then.
Yeah, because back to school is going to end obviously soon, right? Because now you're at school. I'd say probably maybe the end of this week or something. Who knows?
So how much is the total?
We'll have to wait for the discount. I need the product to be able to scan it first, and then I'll let you guys know. Do you guys have any questions?
Today still it has the deal for the back to school program, especially for those who are going to university. So this is a good time to do it. And now we're like just selecting what kind of laptop that we have to buy for university. So these are the ones that's available right now.
This guy right here.
Here. Here. Laptop